Picture yourself in the 2023 Ford F-150. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, bed liner, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.